Okay guys, tonight I'm gonna have a family gathering, so I'm gonna surprise them with this wonderful, flavorful beef brisket that they never had in their life. Today I'm using beef, but if you want to do the whole chicken, it's gonna be awesome, or lamb. Oh, lamb, it's gonna be wonderful. We need to make the sauce, okay? The sauce, it's gonna be Bumbu Merah. It's zesty coriander and earthy cumin. Oh, the smell is already freaking good. Makes me so hungry. Oh, so good. So this is the real thing, guys. It's a raw, fresh ingredient, low sodium, no gluten, and no preservative, and it's all fresh. It's gonna guajillo chilies here. You're gonna have that kick a little bit, but it's enough to wake you up when you eat this. Okay, so 12 ounces of this, or the whole bottle. Put it here, top, then, woo, woo. Oh, smells so good already. So any type of base, today I'm using a big base. So 3 full tablespoon coconut milk, maybe 200 milliliters coconut milk, or maybe like 1 cup of coconut milk. Here, put it here. You don't put too much liquid, because the beef itself will produce a lot of liquid. Smell so good. Imagine the flavors, okay? Yeah, okay, that's done. Put this on. Another ingredient that you have to have when you make this is the lemongrass. 1 stalk of lemongrass. Put it here at the bottom. 1 medium onion, okay? You slice it. Medium onion slice. Put it there. 1 red pepper. 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Just dump it there. This is another important thing if you cook this brisket. It's called kaffir lime leaf. So it's very hard to find this. This is the kaffir lime leaf. So where you can find this? In my store. Go to the website, order this. It's gonna change your life. I can say that. It's good. So this 5-6 lime leaf, and it's very fresh. Put it there. This is the base. You put everything in the base, okay? There. 1 spoon of butter, okay, just put it here. And you guys, if you are local in Hollywood or Miami area, if you need this, just come by to the restaurant. I'll give it to you, okay? This is a lemongrass, fresh lemongrass, because I grow this in the backyard. And then the kaffir lime leaf, 5 pounds of beef. Okay, put it here. Put it there. Oh my gosh. Woo! Take a look at that. The color is so good too. Take a look at that. Okay, 7 to 8 hours. You take your time, do whatever you want to do during the day, because you don't need to worry about this. You're gonna cook by themselves, and of course it's gonna taste so good. Okay, so now take your brisket out. It will be, oh my gosh, this is huge. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it. Flip it. No, I'm not gonna flip it. Okay. Oh, take a look at the brisket. Take a look at that pink, soft flavor. You have to share this with the whole family. It's gonna be 1, 2. If everybody get 2, 1, 2, 3, maybe like 10 serving for this. Oh, it's gonna be 10 servings. So the liquid, you still have some liquid here. You pour the liquid on the top. Ooh. Oh my gosh, looks so good. And then white rice with brisket. So good. Okay guys, if you like this recipe, click the link below. You're gonna find more details about this recipe. And you can also find a lot of recipe that I have in my website. So go there, explore. Okay, so we're gonna try. I don't even know how to use fork and knife, because in Indonesia you eat with your hand. You don't need it. But today I'm gonna use it. Okay. Whew. Brisket beef with Bumbu Merah. Oh my gosh. Even the smell is already like, oh my god, it's so good. So now I have to try. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! The zesty coriander, the earthy cumin, and the kick of the chilies is right there. So it's very, how do you call it, satisfaction, I guess. So mission accomplished. This is the best beef brisket you ever had.